guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm here in Vancouver International Airport or YVR to catch flight going back to the US. Exit ko. Anyway, it's what's in the news, no? Yung mga schools, specifically San Beda, Alabang, and Alabang Hills Village. No? There's some friction going on with the traffic there, no. So of course we know that San Beda is inside Alabang Hills, no. It's nothing new. We've had for the past siguro 2-3 years problems with De La Salle Sobel and Ayala Alabang, and sa CSA where CSA Makati and Dasmariñas Village homeowners nagkaka-conflict. No? Basically, essentially, the conflict is that there are too many cars from non-residents of the village who study there but don't live there. No? It's causing traffic, it's causing discomfort, traffic dun sa mga residente doon. No? A brief history, no? The developers were looking for ways to have people move into their villages. That's why they put in schools. Yon. So, yung mga early parts, that scheme, it was okay. It was very convenient, no? Lumaki yung student population, and the student population consists of more non-residents than residents. So, it was causing traffic, no? Traffic, noise pollution, and so on and so forth. Madami nagiging issue. So, that's the issue now in San Beda, and Alabang Hills stands still, and I heard there's another one in Magallanes, no, yung Singapore International School and Magallanes itself, no. So nagkaka-conflict. No, this video is about New Valley, no, where I stay, no. So dati ang is best practice, no. That's the mantra of the corporate people and the entrepreneurs. Ano yung best practice? Okay. Anong best practice ng mga developers? They put up a village and then may school, no. But according to my corporate coach, yan, hindi na uso ang there's something better than best practice, no? What is it? It's next practice. I put it here. Next practice, no? It's better than best practice. Oh, in theory, no, next practice is exceeding what the current best practices are. Dati kasi ang best practice you will emulate, you will benchmark your practices dun sa best. But now there's this thing as next practice. May exceed mo yung best practice. So what's the next practice in this thing, no? So they put the schools outside the village, so just outside the village. Yon. So New Valley did this, is doing this now with Xavier. It's outside the village. Miram College and Everest International Academy are located outside the villages. No, Saint Scholastica yon, labas ng West Grove yon. The next practice that Ayala did is that they formulated the villages vis-a-vis the schools na yung mga entrances nila, entrance and exits, merong ibang way sila out, no. So, and the road expansions, the road allocations are really wide. So, yun ang next practice nila, no. At it's being executed now in Xavier School pag may class. Umiikot sila, no, merong pathway around the village, merong one way around outside the villages of Trevilla, Abida Settings, and the other villages, and it seems to be working, no. So of course, yun ang challenge, no, for everybody, not always anticipate what's going to happen, no. So that's next practice, since New Valley is being being looked up to as the desired and the model village or estate. All of the developers, including Ayala Land, no, yun ang benchmark nila, no, because of the resounding success, residential lot sales, no, and the actual influx of people who will live there, no, who are living there, no. I think New Valley is up to the task, no. They have a full-time estate manager aside from the village managers in the respective villages, no, there's an estate manager overseeing the entire village, in the entire estate rather. So yun muna, it's not perfect, but they're doing their thing because they're still developing and selling a lot of villages there. And I think the other estates ni Ayala, yan ang benchmark, no. New Valley is the benchmark. So yun muna, just wanted to share that with you, no, yung next practice na yon. So I hope the problems in the schools and the villages mentioned will be solved soon, no. Nagiging cause talaga ng mga issue yan. So yun muna. So this Realtor Mike saying stay safe, stay in faith. God bless. Bye.